Hi, good afternoon YouTube. It's Nick from my Nick Mercer YouTube channel, looking at the Nibiru question. Today's Tuesday the 17th of February 2015 and the time's just after 3:30. I went outside today, took a couple of pictures of the sun. I know that we've spoken a bit about the southern hemisphere being more prevalent in terms of Australia, the south of the United States and the southern hemisphere, and I've been able to, I believe, capture something, some type of circular object beneath the sun. I'm going to play for you now. As you can see, it's just right there, the bottom left hand corner. Now you will see me using a lens flare here to try and show you where the object is. What we're going to need to do with that, I am going to use some filters a little bit later on in this very short film to show you how I captured it. I caught it on my Apple iPhone, which is an iPhone 6. It's a fairly good camera, a fairly good lens, but as you can see there, I'm moving the lens flare, the obvious lens flare, right up to in front of the object, but the object is right there. Let me move that mouse. And as you can see there, I'm sort of moving it around to give you an idea of how much the movement is with the sun and the object itself. Zooming a bit further away from it now, I didn't actually see it until I started to film. I saw that there was something there, but I couldn't really make it out looking through the lens of the iPhone 6. But as you can quite categorically see, there is something there. Now this has been something that's been quite prevalent in terms of sort of the films available on YouTube. There's lots of information from lots of different YouTubers like myself trying to ask about the Nibiru question. I know it's gone on for a very long time. I was one of the people who sort of said in 2012 that this wouldn't be the time. The Mayans have got it wrong in terms of the dates. I don't have a date. It's not something that I'm able to give just offhand like that. But moving back to this, I've also done a negative copy. So as you can see, the negative copy here with obviously the sun, my lens flare moving up in front of the object, but the object is right here. I'll move that out of the way. But this is the same film that I've already shown you. You've just seen. I only took a couple of minutes of it. But you can see that there definitely is some type of object there. Whether it is lens flare or not, I'm not entirely sure. I have got no qualifications in terms of photography. If you feel that you know that this is entirely wrong, it's because of this reason, please come on the comments and let me know. I really do want a scientific debate on this in terms of just me providing information and people saying yes it is, no it isn't, or I'd like some scientific facts if anyone has any training in this area. Unfortunately I don't have any training in this area. I'm going to move it forward slightly, okay, to the end of the negative, and I've done something there, move some warm colours on this, give the contrast a little bit higher. Again, it's the same video where you can see the lens flare moving to in front of what I feel is an object. Moving up and down to give you the idea of the lens flare, but this is the object that we're looking at, and this was caught today in between Merseyside and Cheshire in the United Kingdom, facing west, and it was actually caught at 1:15, so 1 p.m, 1:15, 13:15 United Kingdom time, and it was just taken at the back of my house. So as you can see, there it is. It's in front of us. I've gone a bit green here, I've gone a bit further down to try and give you an imitation of both the sun and the object, give you an idea of how it looks within that sort of category. It seemed to be quite prevalent when I was doing it. Okay, there's the sun, here's my lens flare, and here's the object here, which you'll see very slightly, a little bit better if I maybe remove it, go backwards slightly. Okay, let's get to around here. Okay, just in that object, just in this area here. It's the same colour as the sun, absolutely same colour. Okay, so please fill in the comments. I'll leave descriptions in terms of the camera that I use, the iPhone 6. Please let me know what you think. If you think it's right, you think it's wrong, I'd love to hear all of your information. Please get in touch. I'll answer any of the comments that I possibly can. And thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for watching my channel.